Welcome to the Alaska, Santa Fe, and Pacific's Model Railroad. Okay, we got the other 4 passenger cars in. So if you can see from what Mike's showing you, there's 2 sets here. They're all sleeper cars, but they only ordered 135 of the bottom one and 130 of the top one. So the second set, a lot of people didn't order apparently. But they're all sleepers. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the box. Are you recording? We're going to open up the box and just look at one car, and then I'll unbox all of them and take it to the layout. Then the next thing you'll see is a layout with all the trains. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open these up. I'm just going to open one box and pull out one car since they're all identical cars, and then you'll be able to see them, and we'll take them all upstairs then. Typical Lionel 2-pack boxes. So I'll pull it out. Stay there. Here's the first 2-pack set that I'm going to open with you guys. I'll open them all up, but we'll pull out some of the cars and take a look. So let's get this off, see how to just go together here. Looks like it opens on the end flat and slides out. So, once again, another tight fit. Boy, these things are always so tight. Alright, again, these 4 cars are all the same. They'll just have different names. So I'm not going to unpack all 4 of them. I'll just set them up here and let Mike show you this one. Go ahead and show you all 4 cars, and they're different. This one's got a different kind of a roof. Here's the one that we showed you earlier. See the roof differences? So I'm going to go ahead and unbox all 4 of them, let you see them. Here's another one.
This is with the corrugated.
All right, I went in and programmed each engine one at a time. This is number 25 F3A lead. This is number 26 F3B lead. This is number 27 F3B rear. And this is number 28 F3A rear. That way, when you program them up as a train, which I've done, they will all start at the same time. So I'm just going to do a test startup for you now, and then we'll run the trains here in a little bit. So this is train number 25. So I select train 25 and I hit startup.
Dispatcher here. Please start up and stand by. Over. Roger that. Holding for your signal. Out.
So all 3 of them, 4 of them have started up. They all have sound, but only the lead unit has the horn.
Dispatcher, train's buckled together. Can I get a go? Over.
And the crew cab sounds.
Signal indication. Dispatcher out.
course, front coupler. And the rear coupler. So we'll back it up just to hook it up to the passenger cars for now, but that's all the running I'm going to do. So when you hit reverse, of course the headlights change direction. And of course it doesn't couple on a curve.
Wow.
Thanks for watching. Come back and watch part 3. That'll have all the accessories and special camera car.